Hello guys, today we have a 5-bedroomed, 4-bathroom Cibeles style property on Camposol urbanisation in the Murcia region on the Costa Calida. So let's go in and we'll have a look around at this lovely property. See beautiful mountains down there. We are 8 kilometres from the local beaches on the Costa Calida. As you come in, you can see you've got plenty of car parking and the pool areas over there. But let's go into the main house first and I show you around. Got a very decorative balustrade leading up into the front terrace, which is enclosed. You have doors there and windows which can open up. They've also got insect screens and you've got a ceiling light and fan. On the main door you've got a wrecker. So let's go in and check the property out. Just inside you've integrated wardrobes here with overhead storage. As you can see, we've got central heating. And as I walk through, just pan around, right in front we've got a feature fireplace. You have dual aspect windows, 2 on that side, 1 on that side. You've got aircon and you've got ceiling light and fan. This is a really large living space. You've got your plenty of your TV points, plugs and sockets all around. Wreckers and blackout blinds on the windows. Got another radiator over there and in front. You have got your dining area through that archway, but I'm going to take you through to the bedrooms first. So we're going to have a look in here. So immediately as I come in, there is a double bedroom. It'll fit a small double bed or 2 single beds. It is being utilised as an office. You have aircon and you've got ceiling light and fan there. And you have got the radiator, okay? I'll just come in and pan around for you. And just here, you have got overhead storage and double wardrobes. So let's go into the next bedroom. Now this is the master bedroom. You have got overhead storage and a double wardrobe here. Through here, got dual aspect windows, a really large bedroom as you can see, and you've got aircon. You've also got your central heating radiator, switches and sockets on either side of the bed, wreckers and blackout blinds on the windows. I'm going to pan around, you can see how large this room is, and you've got his and her wardrobes. Overhead storage, which is a great thing. So you've got 3 wardrobes there, really large doubles. Okay, just going to open this up to see. Let you see the shelving in there if I stand back. I don't know if the other one has shelving in. Just want to give you a depth of the wardrobe. Okay, so good size bedroom here, and it has an ensuite. So just in here, ceiling tiles from ceiling to floor, frosted glass window. You have a bath there with shower attachment and semi-frosted shower screen. You've also got your radiator in here, your WC, your bidet and your sink and pedestal, and a nice little mirror there with overhead lights. Okay, so I'm just going through here. You have got your radiator in this corridor which links to the other shower room and the bath bedroom. So in this you have a small shower room, frosted glass window, you've got your WC and your sink and pedestal and a nice little unit there. You've also got your radiator just there. Okay, now leaving this room and we're going into a double bedroom. In here you have ceiling light and fan, and you have aircon over there. This is a double bedroom. You have your radiator just there. For some reason they've put the bed this end, but you have got sockets and switches on either side if you had the bed this way, so you could have your bedside lamps. Okay, so I'm just twisting this around here. You have your integrated wardrobe and your overhead storage. So this is the main house, or most of it. I'm going to just take you into the dining area now and the kitchen. So through this archway is your dining area. It's quite large. You have aircon and your central heating, wreckers and blackout blinds on the windows. Through here is your kitchen, and you've got everything you need in a kitchen. You have top and base units, your washing machine, gas hob, 5-ring gas hob, electric oven, and you've got your washing machine there and your boiler. You've got water filter tap and sink and drainer. So there you have it. So now I'm going to take you outside, and we have an awesome underbuild. So the underbuild's like a really large apartment. So I'm going to take, just quickly before the apartment, I'm going to take you up and see the rooftop solarium very quickly, guys. So this is the rooftop solarium. It's partially glassed in with the glass blocks, and the ceiling has been painted white. I just want to show you just down here, you have gates down at the bottom, so you've got off-road parking on this side of the property as well as the front. So I've just come back down from the solarium, guys. You have a really large area here where you can just relax and enjoy. Your shower is just there under the palm trees, and you have your pool here under the sail. You also have another entrance to the property the side. So I'm going down. We've got a couple of steps here which I'm going down, and I'm going to bring you around the property, and we're going to have a look at the underbuild now. You've also got a little diving board there in the pool, which is quite cool. Guys, I've just walked around the property to go to the apartment down below. Just want to let you know there is a ramp. So this is great if somebody is on a mobility scooter, and then those steps lead up to that driveway above. You've also got a little bit of understairs storage there as well. There's a cupboard here. It's not open, but you got plenty of storage anyway. So just in here you've got double wreckers and double sliding doors. So there is a step down. So I'm just going to give you a quick view. You have your aircon there. You have an area there where you could put some cushions and have a window seat. You got your radiator. This is a very, very long room in here. You got double radiators and the kitchen here as well. Okay, so plenty of top and base units in the kitchen. Again, you have a gas hob, 5-ring, and electric oven. You got your water filter tap, your washing machine, tumble dryer, granite worktops. You got everything. So this is a total second apartment. Plenty of switches and sockets. And I'm going to bring you into one of the bedrooms now. So this is a huge bedroom. You've got double wardrobes here with overhead storage. You'd need to replace the doors, but they have curtains there. Just going to pan around for you guys so you can see it's really, really large rooms down here. Through here is your bathroom. So you've got your sink and vanity unit. You have a bidet, radiator, WC, and your shower just there. Okay. I'm going to take you out and go into the next room. So the next room is again another large double bedroom. And you have got your aircon in here as well. You've got a window seat over there as well. You have 2 lots of wardrobe, well 3. You've got 2 doubles, and then you've got 1 single by the radiator. Again, you've got a shower room. You've got your sink and vanity unit in here, and you've got a washing machine. You've got your radiator, your WC, a bidet, and the shower. Okay, nice big shower in there. So this is a really large property. Got plenty of switches and sockets as well. So guys, if you're interested in this property, don't hesitate to contact Dawn, info@tolettoseltobuy.com, and don't forget to share in your social media. Lovely large property for a large family.